Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. In this video I'd like to focus only on the lower degree wave count because nothing has changed in the context. We still assume that we are overall in a wave 2 correction and that we're currently working on a B wave within that wave 2. This B wave can unfold as either a high B wave or a shallow B wave in this triangle. So far the triangle count was the correct count, the correct selection. We've been tracking it, I think, since Friday, and the market really has only moved sideways in the range. What is important to understand is that eventually we would still expect price to head down a bit lower in a C wave of wave 2. And as long as it's holding 33.3 cents, we can eventually still focus on higher in a third wave rally. However, it doesn't need to break down. I know in analysis sometimes sounds like, okay, the price needs to do this or that. It doesn't need to. The reason why in this correction price doesn't need to head lower, even though I think it will, is because it already hit our trend reversal area. It did in the current correction from a retracement point of view what it needs to do. It hit the 50% retracement and already reacted to it, I don't know, 4 or 5 times. Nevertheless, because it didn't really get off the ground, the idea would be that it will eventually make another low here. And at the moment, it's, in my opinion, still in this triangle. I think another lower high could be coming in the triangle. That would make a really nice triangle count. In terms of the, in terms of the subwave structure of the triangle, we could just simply place the C wave here. I think that would make a really good count. And then this here is a W, X, Y. And in the Y wave, we've got an A, B, C. That fits actually in quite well. And but let's see. I mean, there are different interpretations possible. Alternatively, we could say that the B wave finished already at the 41.5 cent level here on Sunday, and we are now breaking down. But it's a bit too early to confirm that because we haven't taken out the breakout points. Just quick reminder again, to the downside 37.8 cents, to the upside 42 cents. So we're still in the range. Interest rate decision coming tomorrow. Current assumption would be that we continue to be in the range until tomorrow, until we get that decision. It's just often the case. No need for it to do that. It can always break out earlier, but it just often is the case. What happens if we get a higher B wave? Well, you have resistance right here. So the red fib levels, they are the resistance zones, and resistance will start at 42 cents for the high B wave, unfortunately. So you have an overlap between support resistance areas, and standard resistance goes up to 44.4 cents, but you can get an extended resistance area for B waves, and that goes actually all the way up to 49.5 cents, even though I think if we break really above the April high, then we deal with a proper breakout to the upside, not a high B wave. It is possible to get a high B wave, and we would get a high B wave in a WXY structure, similar to what I showed in the Bitcoin video, that it's this WXY, and in the Y wave, in an ABC, we can move a little bit higher. But yeah, that's really everything at the moment. I mean, we just need to have a bit of patience. What I wanted to do maybe as a last point is to give you a possible target for an E wave, assuming that the D wave of the triangle bottomed here yesterday it was. Then we can take the length of the C wave and we go to the low of the D wave, and the 61.8 extension is a very common target for an E wave. It doesn't need to stop there, but it's sort of a guideline target. We talk here about 40.5 cents. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.